What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making probably my favorite thing ever, General Tso's cauliflower. Tastes just like takeout and it's so tangy and delicious. Start off by putting some cauliflower florets in the oven for about 20 minutes or until they get roasted and soft. While this bakes, we will make your sauce. You will need 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1/2 cup of veggie broth, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 3 chiles de arbol, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Whisk your sauce together and place it on low heat for about 15 minutes, or until your sauce starts to thicken. While your sauce heats up, coat your cauliflower in some flour. You can totally skip this step, but I find that it helps the cauliflower get really crispy and really mimics the chicken. Then fry your cauliflower in a shallow pan, turning it constantly so all sides are fried. Once all of your cauliflower is fried, place them in a large wok and add in your sauce. Mix your cauliflower in until it's all nice and glazed. This is so sticky and savory and just plain delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment below what you want to see next. I'll see you guys next week.